I'm a believer in live. Nothing replaces a human voice. We've been using Gray marketing for our pain management as well as our stem cell. We do dinner workshops, we do educational workshops out in the community, which is really our strategies as our marketing tool. We also market doing direct mail. I wanted to find out about the new system that's going forward as being able to have the auto workshops. I think that's a great add-on piece to what we're already doing. Stem cell is a new piece, so what we wanted to do is come and kind of learn from the best and see what we can augment into our practice. The biggest takeaway was probably understanding how the Facebook works and also being able to do the video. Having this other video on the outside is really one of the best pieces that we could have. The live webinar is awesome. I had seen one of his once before, and I think this is the first time that all of us have seen it together. But matter of fact, I'm excited about getting the PowerPoint, just to be able to have something that's on the umbilical cord, stem cell, and the way he presented it, we thought it was great.